You're gonna have to hang up and try again.
Okay.
We'll get back to you.
Yeah, Cass. Let's try Cass Nakamura. We've got in our Zoom room. Cass, do you want to try unmuting yourself? Cass, test 1 2. Civilist.
Good morning.
Oh,
There's
yes. Running him.
Ranim, Mr. Ranim.
All right. Thank you for joining us. It's the link, the Breeze 93 9. Let me tell you guys, we have this guy. Let me regroup, man. Cass Nakamura, the vice president of the Chuukese Association of Guam. And we wanted to bring you on, Cass, because we know that you guys are trying to get a message out to the Chuukese community about some COVID positives and the spread. So we just want to give you the floor because in talking to you, it wasn't really clear exactly what you wanted to get out. So we'll just give you the floor. Cass, what is it that you want the people of Guam to know this morning?
Yes, good morning, Sabrina. Good morning to you, Malfunction.
Good morning.
good morning,
Thank
Cass.
you very much for letting me be on your show this morning. I just want to thank all the people of Guam, especially my people from FSM, especially those from Chuuk. I'm sorry to be on this means of getting out the words, but it's a must that we, as a people of this melting pot on Guam, I would like to relay a message to our Chuukese brothers and sisters that it's a must that we adhere to all the rules and regulations concerning the prevention of the spread of COVID-19. I think what I've been hearing from several sources that all risky ways or manners of avoiding what it's been broadcast or been told to us that by our means of gatherings and all this, we are at the high risk of catching or spreading the COVID-19 virus.
Right. And Cass, could you let's just go back to the beginning. Now, all of this is stemming. There was, I believe, a funeral, and someone had come in for this funeral and got the exemption. Right. So let's just start there.
I was doing this public awareness through Facebook. I was instructed or was told by Senator Clint Richel to do this. Maybe he got the news from somewhere, a source that a certain time could be around July 24 to 26 that there were several individuals coming from Hawaii that they contracted COVID-19 and were sent to GMH. According to that source, when they were doing that on the Facebook, they clarified that there was one individual that was admitted at Guam Memorial, but according to that source, when they came from Hawaii, they were screened and they were COVID-free. But for some unknown reasons, when that happened, they were thinking that maybe they contracted that virus, COVID-19 virus, while they were at that funeral home during that weekend of July 24 to July 26. They were, like I said, they were COVID-free from when they checked in Hawaii. But unfortunately, one of them was admitted and confirmed to contracted that virus somewhere, sometimes when they were here on Guam.
When they were supposed to be on a quarantine, but there was an exemption. Cass, so can you tell us what interaction, if any, have or do you know about with public health and this specific incident? Has public health reached out to you guys to help with the investigation?
Sure. But I was just saying this through what I saw with that individual was writing some answers to this dilemma or whatever we might call it, misunderstandings, to clarify what was happening during that time. But from anything from public health, there's none.
Right. And so I spoke with Dr. McGlotney yesterday about this, and she had said that if your organization and the Consul General are asking questions, then it's got to be legit. Bree?
So it is confirmed that at least one individual who attended this funeral was positive for COVID. That's something
That's
that
what I was, yeah.
Okay. So do you know now how many people were at that funeral?
I really don't know.
Do you know if anybody else that attended that funeral also tested positive?
No.
Okay.
Has anyone come forward saying that they had attended that funeral within the Chuukese community? Any word?
Not that I know.
Okay. Well, we did want to give you the floor, and talking with public health, one of the things that they were mentioning, and this is right at the beginning of the COVID, was the language barrier, right? And so they were, I know they enlisted the help of people from different communities and had them translate a lot of the materials about COVID-19 into different languages. But we wanted to give you the floor, Cass. We got about a couple minutes here. Just to give a message out to the Chuukese community in Chuukese. So go for it again. Cass Nakamura, he's the vice president of the Chuukese Association of Guam.
What funeral home was it?
San Agustin Funeral Home.
Okay, between July 24th and 25th. Okay.
Okay, Cass. So go ahead if you want to address the Chuukese community. We'll give you the floor.
Okay. Kiniso Jabur Patiro, Wawin Arwasmil Simberochia. Nora Che Community, City Chuuk, or Guam. City, the Pura on Namaram, nor Moon, nor Cho, Arwas me Deroges me Faviri, Patori, Evensin, City Original, at Kabong, nor in the largest of Jesus Christ. You were him. Bembeta kepada di Poros Kamak or Kofaso to Rigarai. Igabwe, the Ferry Gabwe, the Bentigiri di Bom, Yawo, Besaka Ferry for a seat. Igwe again, Atibutori Urage again, Adinis, Atibutori Adisi, Albue, Jotadan, the Filat. Med merit, kami murin at Kotori Ferry, a pet, as the Torigit, a Sawai, buried a Sawal. I heard Sibot Siliga, made Messilera Praia, I think it. That's where a Buria Taiwan, the service mask, the boat. The one. I don't want that. It will feed. And they feed any canto. I will never feed that. So that's where we make it. I'm not afraid. You cannot not forget. But it's si buat siliga. We put it away. Trakalani to our kids. We made what the favorite. That's some. The siliga ka. Interagi. Met mij visio kwestie di bato arborgit katorgit sawal e wan e silibato arwan idirgit Kaya pa sa kids, nandugumat, kids si Burata, net, nandugun, ika, pedin, al saptor ni Member, bersawag. Sa ferdi ay usubus, wala itiruwabi. So kabate kiri-kiri rawas medicine, matigyabat kisigis. So kabaten mayor wisher, ukurasi fa para venir a itiruwabi. Ewa kapan asawan nam, the boroughs, isini kapan jaga chuguk, ewajen, message, kay boroughs yan, and this figure not a pity, children, isawag, kami isawag, COVID-19 is a joke, isa par Pope City, kids, at sabutori, at sa pagsilyat, turong nagmat, bigumat mat, so mga ngiri, anuk, grabe siya dahil po, kids, so LC, ano ba tiyufatan, isa wa ngiri ano sa kuha medicine. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Cass.
Thanks, Cass.
And the translation there is basically to be safe. If you guys were here, get a hold of us. And Chris and Sabrina's show is really awesome.
Real quickly before we let you go, Cass, did you have any information about the investigation that's underway over at the government quarantine facility? There was a death of a 40-year-old man. They believe it's not COVID related, but he may have had some underlying health conditions. Do you have any information about that, or have you heard anything?
No, nothing. I don't have anything to say about that, Sabrina. Sorry.
Okay.
No problem. Thank you so much. Stay
Cass,
safe.
If you do, though, just,
Thank you very much.
text me, my friend.
Thank you.
Okay.
And feel free to come on anytime.
Anytime.
Okay.
And we're waiting for our
Appreciate it.
con. When is the con coming? Is it con day?
Con, and
The fish more
God
is what.
bless you guys. Thank you. Don't
Okay,
think
Cass.
about that.
Right. Okay, I'll text you. Don't worry.
Rananim.
Running in.
Ranim na churanim ay tong gabi.
Falsum. All right. Okay. There you go. Cass Nakamura, the
Rananim. That's all I know.
VP
Rananim.
of the Chuukese Association of Guam. We're getting that fish.
Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm down to try.
The con. You ever pound the con?
No,
Okay. You haven't lived until you pounded that corn, Bree. It's 8:03. We're the link on the Breeze 93.9 KUAM FM Agotnia, Guam. To our viewers on KUAM TV 11, thank you so much for watching this morning. Again, it is the link on the Breeze 93.9. We'll take a short break.